The Tesla Model 3 is here, and it is the most important vehicle of the century. Yes, the hyperbole is necessary. The original Tesla Model S was a proof of concept. It was possible to make a long-range electric vehicle. The Model X showed that you could make an electric SUV, but neither was affordable to the masses. And although the Chevrolet Bolt has shown that 238 miles of electric range is possible for less than $40,000, GM's volume aspirations are modest. Not so for Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who wants to blow out the walls of his Fremont, California, factory to build 500,000 Tesla Model 3s every year. Tesla gave MotorTrend an opportunity for an extended test drive with the Tesla Model 3 engineer. Following his testing director Kim Reynolds' review. 36 hours before Elon Musk hands the keys to the first 30 purchasers of the new Tesla Model 3 electric car, we are waiting at a gravel parking lot at the corner of Mullholland Highway and Old Topanga Road in Malibu. What time is it? Somebody asks. "8 a.m. replies videographer Cory Lutz as he and Travis Labella ready an arsenal of GoPros. Everybody, photographers Brian Vance and William Walker, me, the video guys, are taking turns shooting. Glances up Old Topanga. We're watching for a red car. 8:05 there he is, I hear somebody say. He is Franz von Holzhausen, chief designer for Tesla, and the red car is not only his, but it's also one of the most awaited and speculated about automobiles in years, the Tesla Model 3, a car I've overheard relatives talking about who don't know how many cylinders their Camry's engine has. The scene felt a little like Hollywood paparazzi staking out Justin Bieber again, but this time it wasn't a hijacking. In a somewhat intimidating coup, Franz is going to let me tear up and down nearby Stunt Road in it, and what better name for a test route, eh? Franz emerges. Although he's a pedigreed car designer after deployments with VW, GM, Pontiac Solstice, and Mazda, the guy's seemingly Hollywood cast for the Tesla Tastemaster part, in black jeans, black t-shirt, and aviator sunglasses. And his car appears remarkably similar to the prototype.